How can you make a document of photos on the iPhone? Let me explain the options that we have available. And if this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so essentially you have a couple of photos, right, which you want to turn into something. So you can, for example, turn a photo into a different file format, like a document of PDF, right? So you can go to your gallery as such, click on share, and there is one interesting option which is called print, which we don't need to actually print it, but you can see we now have the ability to click on share again, and this is creating a PDF document of our photos. So I guess it would work out. It gets the job done in that sense. If that's what you mean, then you can always just turn your photos into this document, right? So we would have a PDF containing our images. But there are even more ways how we can do this. I also like to use a text editor app made by Apple, which is called Pages. It is completely free to use and it is probably already part of your phone, but the point is that you can get inside, click on the plus button to start writing a new document, and you can import as many images in here as you need. So we are now working with a document which contains our photos. I can, of course, edit them as much as I like or resize it, whatever. But then I'm going to click on share and export the whole thing. So I put together a couple of photos into one document, and now I have it all together, and I get to decide if it is supposed to be in a PDF format or in a Word, or even more options are available here. So this is another way how you can put together your photos and then turn them into a document format. So I hope that that is the thing that you wanted to achieve. If not, let me know about it below. But if it worked out well for you, just hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and upcoming videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later in the next videos too.